Alright, let us take a good look at this question. This is another question. This is a WAEC past question this time. And it's still under the resolution of vectors, horizontal and vertical components. Now, when you look at this diagram, this is a diagram of the knots. This is maybe, let's say, a car now, maybe, or a body moved eastward, then it formed an angle 60 degrees, and there's a force that is here, which is 10 Newton in the diagram. Now it says a body on the ground is acted on by a force of 10 Newton at a point P in the diagram above. So this is the force of 10 Newton at the point P. What force is needed to stop the body from moving eastward? They are asking us to calculate for the force needed to stop the body from moving eastward. So we don't want the body to move eastward. We want to stop the body from moving eastward. And if, please, let's see something now. This is very technical. If we are to stop the body from moving eastward, it means that we have to drag it westward. What do I mean? This is north. This is east. Now, this part is west. That is, I'm going to draw it here. This is it. Let's see. This is east. Then, okay, let's say the angle formed here. Let's say the angle is 60 degrees from the question. Okay, from the question, the angle is 60 degrees, and this is point P. This is north. Now, I said that if we are to stop this body from moving eastward, the body is moving eastward. We don't want it to go eastward. If we are to stop the body from moving eastward, we have to drag it westward. We have to drag it like this, westward. So let's say this is west. Okay, so we have to drag it back. We don't want it to go forward. We have to drag it back to stop it. That's what we're going to do now. Now, they ask us to calculate for the force. If you look at this question, okay, they give us here to be 10 Newton. They give us in respect or in the aspect of force. The previous one we solved earlier was in the aspect of velocity, but now they give us in aspect of force. Now, what do we do? Okay, look at the question again. They say a body on the ground. If a body is on the ground, it means that it is on the ground level, which is horizontal, right? Very fine. So, since it's on the ground level, we are going to make use of horizontal components. Can you see that they are trying to test our brain, but we shall pass them. Now, we are going to use horizontal components, and the formula is Vx. Okay, first of all, we have to bring out the parameters. Yes, we have to bring out the parameters. In this case, we have should I call it? Okay, we have an angle theta. We have theta to be 60 degrees. Then we have this. I can call it F. Okay, let's just call it F, which is a force of 10 Newton. Now, for us to calculate for, they're asking us to calculate for the force needed to stop the body, we are going to be using horizontal components, which is what? Vx is equal to V cos theta. Vx is equal to V cos theta. This is the formula for horizontal components, yes. Now, Vx is what we're asked to calculate for. Now, this V, I told you previously it was in respect, the question we solved earlier was in respect to velocity, but now it's force. So we're going to just put this, replace this V with 10 as what we have in the question. Because in the question we're not giving any velocity from this question. They give us force. So that's why we're making use of force here as 10 cos, what is theta? Theta is still 60 degrees. Theta is 60 degrees. Now, Vx is equal to 10 cos 60. We've already calculated it before. Cos 60 is 0.5. 0.5. Now, Vx is equal to 10 times 0.5. 10 times 0.5 is 5. 5 watts. Will you say 5 meter per second? You say 5 meter per second, you fail it. You will fail it very well. Because in this case, I said earlier, we are not dealing with meter per second. We're not talking about velocity. They gave us as force, and they're asking us, look at what they asked you to find. What force is needed? So our answer will be 5 watts. What's the unit of force? Newton. 5 Newton. Thank you very much. So the horizontal or the force needed to stop the body from moving eastward will be what? Okay, let's write it here. Let's write it here. The force needed to stop the body is equal to 5 Newton. 5 Newton where? Westward. Please take note. 5 Newton westward. They asked us to calculate for the force needed to stop the body from moving eastward. Not 5 Newton eastward. No. Because we want to stop, the body is moving eastward like this. We want to stop that body from moving eastward. So we drag it and we drag it westward. You need to understand the cardinal points. This is north, this is east, this is west, this is south. So if we don't want the body to go eastward, we'll drag it westward. That is why our answer is 5 Newton westward. Please like this video, share it if possible, tell your friends about my page, and please follow, press that follow button. If you don't press that follow button up till now, I'll not be happy now. Please press that follow button. Thank you and enjoy the video.